Blueberry and cream cheese shot glass individual desserts with three colorful layers, making them really attractive to your guests. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. Today, I'll share with you how to make these elegant looking, easy party desserts that you can serve in many ways. So, here are the ingredients obviously, some fresh blueberries with some gorgeous cream cheese. Rest of the ingredients are pretty simple, they're all pantry friendly, and we have them at home at all times. Let's get started. It starts in the stove, so a pan there, and I'm putting some blueberries. These are fresh. To that, I'm adding some sugar and some cornstarch. To help them cook fast, I have added some water. Give it a quick stir, and now leave it alone. Let it come to a boil, which will come very soon because it has cornstarch in it, so you always want to make sure you keep an eye, and the heat should be medium. I'm squishing them just a little bit so they cook faster. Now it's done, it's very thick, and it's time to take it off the heat. While it's hot, I'm going to add my white chocolate, which I have already broken into chunks. First, give a light stirring, slow stirring. Let these two ingredients get together, and then you can mix. Because it's very hot, the chocolate will soon melt, making it thicker and tastier and just yum. Now it's all done. First, I'm going to take a little bit in a separate jar. I'm going to use it for my third layer for the dessert. The rest of it, I'm going to sieve it. So that part goes away, and now I'm going to use a sieve to make it, to turn it into a smooth, gooey paste. This is so delicious, I can just have it on its own. If you are having a party and you want to make this dessert, this is something that you can make in advance and keep in your refrigerator. So this goes away, and my top layer goes to the side. Now it's time to prepare the first layer, which is the biscuit crumbs. I'm using Lotus today, and I will be making just a little bit. So I'm taking just 4 pieces of biscuits, and as you know, you can put them in Ziploc bag and then just crush them. Okay, so first layer is ready. Now I'm moving on. This is cream cheese, which is just from the fridge, and to that I have added some powdered sugar. For making this dessert, you don't actually need to bring your cream cheese to room temperature. You can use electric mixer to do this job. I just like to do my with hands. Okay, again, I'm going to take a little bit off from there. I'm going to set it aside. Now, with the rest of the cream cheese, I have added the blueberry paste that we made earlier, and look how beautiful it looks. Okay, gorgeous colorful layer is all ready. Now I'm going to put it in a piping bag, and I'm using a big star nozzle for that. This is from Wilton and very useful. I'd very much like my desserts to come out neat, and for that I'm using another piping bag, and this is the cream cheese filling that I set aside. Everything is ready, and now it's time to assemble. So these are some shot glasses, and they will make individual servings of desserts. First layer is biscuits, and I'm not using any melted butter. Second layer is the cream cheese and blueberry filling that we mix together. And the third layer is the blueberry filling that we set aside. Finally, I'm putting the cream cheese filling that I set aside, and now it's all done. A beautiful, elegant looking cream cheese and blueberry desserts are all done. It's one of those desserts that you can make ahead and keep it in your refrigerator. If you're interested in seeing more videos like that, please stay connected. I post one recipe every single day.